Hey guys, welcome back to Beef and Barrel. I'm James.
And I'm Glen.
And we're going to make the greatest Monterey Stacker Jack burger. So let's have a little talk through the ingredients we're using today for the Monterey Stacker Jack burger. We have some butter. Now the butter is going to be used with 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. For the caramelized onions that will come later, we're going to cook that separately. We've got 3 beautiful slices of Monterey Jack cheese. We have a seeded brioche bun, which is sesame seeds. We've got some salt and pepper for the seasoning. We've got some barbecue sauce here, along with this special ghost chili sauce here that we're going to mix together to make that special sauce a bit later. And here we have got 250 grams of ground beef. That ground beef is going to be split 3 separate ways to make 3 separate patties. And yeah, let's go and wash up and get ready to cook.
So right, first off we're going to get these onions caramelized. I've already had the pot onto heat. It's nice and hot. Just going to dump all these white onions in. Going to add some butter. Season it with some salt and pepper. And we'll add the sugar in a little while after they've been wilted down a little bit. Yeah, and we're going to let that cook. So right, with the onions, I've decided to put them on the coals just to make that heat, the cooking process that little bit quicker. When you're doing this, make sure you have got an oven-proof, heat-proof glove, because this is going to get extremely hot. Okay, you don't want to burn your little fingers off.
Yeah, especially touching that.
Yeah.
Always use protection on your hands.
Your hand will stick to it. You'll have no skin left. We don't want that.
Yeah, we don't want that on our heads.
No, definitely not. No lawsuits here.
5 minutes later.
Hey, so welcome back to the onions. Let's have a little look. Oh yeah, they're going nice. Bit crunchy, bit soft.
Starting to
Brown. Them down, browning off. I think we're at the stage where we're going to add that sugar in. Give it that caramelized sweetness. Get that in there. Give it a stir.
Oh, you know what? I can't wait to try these.
Oh, it smells so good already. And what we're going to do is keep them up top now, so they can just marry together, get all beautiful, golden, brown.
Right, well first of all, let's talk about my hat. The reason it is the other way is because it looks cooler.
So he says.
So he says, yeah. Yeah, so I thought I'd go for a different look, even though the sun is now in my eyes, and now I feel even more stupid, because the hat should be better the other way. But
but stupid's the new cool.
Yeah, I thought I'd put it this way, to try and gain some youth back. Yeah, anyway, so let's check on these onions. It is looking rather great. Oh, look at that caramelisation in there.
It looks like syrup.
The smell is amazing. Okay, so these are pretty much done. We're going to get these off the heat, let them cool down, because you don't want like really super hot burgers. Super hot onions in the burger. We do want a super hot burger. You don't want a cold burger.
Let's have a little look at them.
So that's going to go straight on there to cool down.
Try and get a picture with the sun going in there instead of the shadow.
There we go. Look at that.
Yeah, mate.
Look at it. Look at that.
Oniony,
beautiful
sugary
caramelisation.
slop.
That is going to be incredible.
That is what we're
on
looking
a burger. For. Right. So I think what we're going to do now, I think the burger patties are going to be almost ready to put on. But we're not going to use oil today. We're going to go for something different. Nice, juicy, buttery burgers. It's not the most healthiest burger in the world,
Never healthy.
but I did say it's the greatest Monterey Jack stacker burger. So that's what we're going to go for.
You got to live to your word, James.
Yep. Mine. Let's go.
Right now it's time to make these patties. I've already put them into thirds. So we're not going to get a tight squeeze on them. Again, you want that airflow going through the patties. It's just going to get this open. I just made 3 balls ready to smash.
There we go.
Perfect. Look at that.
Oh, look at that.
1, 2, 3. Need to lots of this, hurry up. Or good technique. It's not even right. The reason we're doing this is we want an amazing crust. Season generously with salt and pepper. What I'm going to do is figure out a little bit of a tilt. Get that, shut the lid, and we'll check them in a couple of minutes, see how we're getting on.
Okay, so these burgers need flipping, and I need to put that cheese on. So let's have a little 1, 2. Oh, look at that crisp on the outside. Look at that, amazing. Let's quickly season generously.
That is some good crust.
Get that salt back on, and let's put the magic cheese on top, like so. Let's move this burger over slightly. There we go. So don't want them all blending together. There we go. Look at that. And while that's cooking, we'll make the sauce. Okay, so the sauce we're going to use is just some standard barbecue sauce and the hot sauce that we was talking about. So for this one, we're going to go 2/3 barbecue, 1/3 of this. So we use a teaspoon as a judge.
Because that ghost chili sauce is fiery.
Yeah, it is. 2, 3. Could have had a bit more of a full up sauce pot, Glenn. So I'm going to give that a little shake.
It's just for you.
There we go. Let's put a bit more in. Okay, so we've got about 6 teaspoons of barbecue sauce there. And we're going to go for 2 teaspoons of this sauce. 1, 2. Mix that in. We need to make sure we give it a try first, because we don't want it to be like so hot that the food's unedible. Give it a good mixture in, because this is going straight on top of them gorgeous brioche sesame seeded buns. Give that a little try.
Let me get a finger in there.
That's what she said. I think that's perfect.
Oh, that's fantastic.
That is banging.
Oh, wow.
Let's go. Right, okay, the burgers are ready, buns are ready. Let's get the buns off. Got a nice bit of colour on them.
There's some toast on that.
We don't want to burn the buns. But these burgers, we don't want to burn either. But you can see, that crispy cheese.
Yeah.
So,
Them bits you can just pick off and eat.
so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the burgers just slightly off to the side, just so they don't burn. You don't want to ruin them. That can go there for a second. And we're going to address the bun with a bit of the sauce
Slap that on there.
at the bottom. That bottom layer's that got a bit of cheese there, look. Oh, a cheeky bit of cheese, man.
That's pitmaster privilege, that.
Bit of cheese there at the bottom, bit of sauce at the bottom now. I think we're ready for the first layer burger. Look at this crispy cheese.
Wow.
Do we keep this crispy cheese on?
Keep it on, go on.
Oh, okay.
We can pick at it after.
Let's not forget the caramelized onions. So, right, that's not. How's this going to work? Work this out, James. Come on. We need to work this out. So I don't want to make any mistakes here. With,
we're not amateurs here, honest.
I just don't want to drop any on the floor, which I have a habit of doing.
Yeah. Makes for good watching, though.
I know it does make for good watching.
Makes good TV.
Here we go. A bit of the onions in the middle there, between each one. More onions. More onions.
More onions.
More sweet, juicy onions.
More cheese, Gromit.
Oh. And then finally. Oh.
Where's it going? Come back.
Where's the burger?
Don't lose it.
There we go. We got it. We got
Keep
it.
it safe.
We got it safe. It's there.
Wow.
I don't want to lose anything in this
The
burger.
rest of them onions have got to go on. Stack them onions up. Stack them, stack them.
It's
alright. We like dribbling onions.
Right, so this is Stacker Jack. Let's put some more sauce on the bun. And let's place. Oh, let's take this glove off.
Get the glove out of the way. Wow.
Look. Look at that!
That's a masterpiece.
Look at that!
Can't wait to taste this. Oh no.
We need to get this burger over to the table. So I can't wait to get into this super Stacker Jack, Monterey Jack burger thingy that I just can't wait.
I'm surprised you didn't call it ultimate.
Nearly called it ultimate. It deserves to be an ultimate now. But do you know what? The review will determine whether this gets put up to the ultimate level.
We'll find out.
Let's go.
So are you ready to cut this bad boy up? Let's get a look at this. I'm so looking forward to this. Oh wow. You don't even need a squeeze, but that you can see the juice running through it anyway. Let's eat it. So let's dig into this, James.
Excited, man. Excited, man. Oh,
No,
no,
you
I've dropped it.
Well,
What? Hold on.
cheers.
Look at my top burger.
You need some more burger in there.
I think I've been delivered a short straw here. Cheers. Unbelievable.
Oh my.
That sauce is great.
First off, I want to thank your pal Jack for getting us to make this. Wow.
Yeah, this burger, I didn't actually mention it. Our friend, well, my friend Jack, Glenn doesn't know him,
Not my mate.
asked us
It
to
can't
make
be now though. Wow.
asked us to make a burger in his name. And I thought, okay, well his name's Jack. Why not use Monterey Jack cheese?
It's so juicy.
So if anyone else wants a request, put it in the comments and we'll see if we can get around to making it for you. But this,
Yeah, if you have any suggestions for a burger, well, let us know in the comments and we'll see it done. Alright, so that barbecue sauce has got spiciness in it, but not
Yeah.
too much. Again, the sweetness takes that spiciness down and it just marries together so well.
Oh, that. Hold on, give me that knife. Give me that knife.
Scrape that up. Wow. This has been one of my favourites. I ain't gonna lie.
I
It's up
actually
there
think,
with the bee sting.
I think this does deserve
Ultimate 100%.
to go on the ultimate burger. Ultimate playlist.
This is 10 out of 10 for me.
Yeah. I can't argue with
I
that.
wouldn't change this.
No.
I don't see improvement for it. Like you've got them little crispy bits of cheese.
The only thing I would change.
You change.
Do you know what I would change?
Change your
The
hat.
portion size. The portion size.
This I knew it was going to be
Because
good.
this
So
Muppet decided to give me a baby version of this amazing, superb burger.
James, I apologise now. Right.
Caramelized onion, though, isn't it?
Wow.
Oh, unreal.
Make sure you try this out
Both like,
again.
do it. Just do it. Anyway, yeah, other than that, I think if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. We're going to carry on. Yeah, you carry on eating. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. And yeah, again, like this. See you later. Hey guys, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, click that notification bell for more videos like this. Only one thing left to say, Yaki da.